Once upon a time, in the deep, vast ocean, there lived a magnificent blue whale named Luna. Luna was one of the largest creatures in the sea, stretching over 90 feet long. Every day, she would swim gracefully through the ocean, her powerful tail pushing her through the water as she glided in search of krill, her favorite food. Despite her enormous size, Luna was gentle and loved exploring with her pod of fellow whales. As she traveled, Luna encountered many wonders. Coral reefs filled with vibrant fish, mysterious underwater caves, and even playful dolphins who would leap around her, admiring her graceful movements. But Luna also saw signs of change. She noticed warmer waters and plastic drifting on the currents, sometimes making it harder to find food. Hoping to find safe places for future generations. Her journey reminded all who saw her of the beauty of the sea and the importance of protecting it, inspiring others to care for the ocean and all its amazing inhabitants.